video, my friends. Now we're making a video of Ninja Turtle. This is Raphael. This is Michelangelo.
Okay, this is my video. This is Donatello. This is Leonardo.
Michelangelo.
Okay.
Raphael.
Donatello.
Leonardo. Okay. Friends, welcome back to the Teenage Mutant Ninja
And
Turtles.
welcome back to my bebop motorcycle.
And this is the truck. So, the truck has 3 better weapons. You can shoot some ninja discs. You have capture net. But also, you have a squeaking nunchuck. Oh, and spin, my friends. Can you hold on, my friends? See how the nunchuck goes?
Okay, now my motorcycle. I was sitting with a boo over there.
And look, it has a little bombs.
Yeah, it has a lot.
Thank you for watching my video, friends. You'll see you next time. Bye.